Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Vijay leads the Independence Day celebrations at Fort St. George in Chennai, marking his first such ceremony since assuming office as the Chief Minister of the state. Now, the state government has made elaborate arrangements for the event, which is being attended by ministers, senior officials, police officers. The Chief Minister, in fact, thanked Gen Z and promised clean governance without drugs and bribery. He also promised Tamil Nadu the protection and social justice that the state deserves. Actor Trisha was a close friend of the Chief Minister, also attended the Independence Day ceremony, adding to the notable gathering at Fort St. George, which is a centre of power. Meanwhile, Vijay's parents, filmmaker Chandrasekhar and Shobha, along with their family members, also attended this event.
And salute the people of Tamil Nadu who has broken the caste and religious considerations, rejecting money and muscle power, and gave us an overwhelming support to establish people-centric and social justice government. We are on a mission mode to achieve corruption-free government. We want our people to develop zero tolerance towards corruption. And we appeal to the officials and the people of Tamil Nadu to make our state corruption-free.
Our mission is to have a government that is free of corruption and bribery, and that, in my opinion, is the biggest message to the people of Tamil Nadu. And this is a real independence. Administratively, this is going to be a real game changer for this entire Tamil society.
To others, Smita Prakash, the point that the Prime Minister made on delimitation, we just saw the story on Tamil Nadu. How important is it for the NDA to get, the opposition parties on its side, because it requires the two-thirds majority, the magic number of 360, to get the bill passed? In that context, the appeal that the Prime Minister made today, how significant is it?
I think it's very significant, that he's asked everybody to come, to go above party politics and do this. And, I'm kind of tired of hearing, these kind of statements being made across political lines that, oh, we support it, but why aren't you doing this? You don't have the guts to do this. The monsoon session of Parliament was quite obvious that politics is way above anything else in people's minds, in the minds of our parliamentarians, and I think that kind of disappointment that I felt, I think, is echoed in the minds of not just women who were watching the proceedings of Parliament, but across the country, that nobody wanted to do any business, nobody wanted to pass bills. All they wanted was dramatics out on the steps of the Parliament and in TV studios. But other than that, no legislation is what was happening. So I think today, at least, I don't want to think about it, because It's been a very disappointing monsoon session that we have come out. So I'm hoping that everybody rethinks about what they want to do when they get elected as parliamentarians.
मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, हमारे मध्यम वर्गीय परिवारों के सामने एक बहुत बड़ा बोझ बन चुका है कोचिंग क्लासेस की स्पर्धा। हर माँ बाप को लग रहा है कि कोचिंग क्लास में बच्चे को नहीं भेजा तो हम प्रतिष्ठित परिवार नहीं है। इन गरीब और मिडिल क्लास परिवारों की हम चिंता करते हुए हजारों करोड़ रुपए का उनका खर्च है वो भी बचे, बेटे भी अपने आसपास रह सके, उनकी देखभाल हो सके, परिवार पर आर्थिक बोझ न आए। और इसलिए हमने युवाओं के लिए विभिन्न परीक्षाओं की फ्री ऑनलाइन कोचिंग हमने करने का निर्णय किया है। डिजिटल पब्लिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, हमारे पास उत्तम टैलेंट है, टीचर्स हैं, उन संसाधनों को जोड़ करके हम देश के नौजवानों को फ्री कोचिंग देने का एक पूरा नेटवर्क हम खड़ा करने वाले हैं।
किसी की होगी जो जहाँ बोले दस और 5 15 मन थाम थाम रखे तेरे जंजीर के जोड़े मेरे गले बने रखे तेरे तो जोड़े ना तेरी जल रब मेरा इंतजार थोड़ा लगी मेरे सामने बहुत कराना पड़ेगा थोड़ी सी तो भगवान सब कमियों की करता चाहिए ओ मेरी हीरे 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 तेरी तेरी पतली कमर मटका जाएगा थोड़ी हड़बे हड़बे चल धीरे चल टूट जाएगा टूट क्या है तुम उतरे संकी दूर दूर बपा का सपना कैसे कैसे मैंने लम्हे कहानी मेरे प्यार इंतजार की जुदाई तेरी जुदाई तेरी जाने कौन सब किसी और के याद आते हैं पुराने सुधर बचता हूँ दुपट्टा बनी ओढ़ के जुदाई तेरी जान जुदाई तेरी जान ले गई अभी देखता हूँ सब किसी और के याद आते हैं पुराने